Information Technology Department, and in this session we start our next topic, that is network topologies. Learning outcomes, important or significance of network topology. Again we learn about network topologies, that is bus topology, star topology and ring topology. Network topology describes the way in which the elements of the networks are mapped, or it is a physical or logical arrangement of the network nodes. All these are the network topologies, that is physical topology and logical topology. Bus, star, mesh, ring, tree and hybrid, all these are physical topologies, and token based topology and shared media topology, or both these are logical topology. This is the difference between physical and logical topology. Physical topology refers to the physical layout of the devices, means how to connect the devices in the particular network area, and logical topologies refers to the logical path in which data access the media and transmit the packet across it. Physical topology specifies how the wires is connected, and logical topology specifies how the data is transferred. Physical topology, that is bus topology, ring topologies, etc., and logical topology, that is shared media and token based topology. Physical topology describes the way in which devices are connected together, and logical topology describes the devices, how the devices communicate, or shape of the communication is decided by the logical topology. What are the importance of network topologies? First is influence in the function of the network. The next one is effective error detection is possible. Then proper utilization of resources is possible. Better understanding the important networking concept is possible with the help of topology. Then selection of which type of transmission media we used, it depends on topology. Then we decide the cost of our establishment of network and which is the access method is best for network. All these are use or significance of network topologies. Next topic is the type of network topology, that is bus topology. In networking, topology that allows all the network nodes to receive the same message through the network cable at the same time is called bus topology. Means all the devices are connected to each other with the help of one cable, that is bus or backbone cable. Working of bus topology. The figure shows the working of bus topology. The central cable is backbone of the network and is known as bus. Signal from source is broadcasted and is travelled to all the workstation connected to the backbone cable. Although message is broadcasted, but only the intended recipient whose MAC address or IP address matches, only that particular workstation accepts it. If MAC address of machine does not match with the intended address, all the other machines discard the signal. A terminator is added at end point of the central cable to prevent bounding of the signal. Advantages of bus topology. It is a cost effective, easy to install and set up, very easy to connect a computer or peripheral to a bus. It requires the less cabling, so cost is also cheap, sufficient for small network. Cabling cost is less than other topology. Disadvantage: cable has limited length, cannot connect a large number of computer, fault or break in the bus cable, stop all the transmission. Difficult to identify the problem if the entire network shut down. Next topology is ring topology. It is the setup in circular fashion. It is called ring topology because it forms a ring as each computer is connected to another computer with last one connected to the first. Exactly two neighbors for each connected device in network ring topology. Each node is the topology contains repeater. Signal passes node to node until it reaches its destination. If the node receives the signal intended for another node, the repeater regenerates the signal and pass it to the another node. This is the diagram of network topology, that is ring topology. Okay, and it works in only clockwise direction. The packet passes from one workstation to another device. Bucking of ring topology. In ring topology, network arrangements, a signal is transferred sequentially using token from one node to the next node. If the node want to transmit, it grabs the token, attach the data and destination address to it and send it around the ring. The token travel along the ring until it reaches its destination. Once the token reaches the destination, receiving computer acknowledges the receipt with return message to the sender. Sender then release the token for use by the another computer. Signal from source is broadcasted and it travel to all the workstation connected to the bus cable. Although the message is broadcasted, but only intended recipient whose MAC address or IP address message accept it. If MAC of machine does not match with the intended address, machine discard the signal. Okay. Next, disadvantage and disadvantages of ring topology: requires less cabling, less expensive. Each computer has equal access to the resources. Even when the load on the network increases, its performance is better than the bus topology. Disadvantages of ring topology: traffic is unidirectional. Network is highly dependent on the wire which connects the different components. Failure of one computer disturbs the whole network. Speed is very slow. Adding or deleting a computer disturbs the complete network activity. Reconfiguration is needed to add one node. The whole network must be down first. Difficult for troubleshooting the ring. Next topology is a star topology, where one connecting devices is available and all the devices are connected to help each other with the help of these connecting devices. It is one topology in which central unit called the hub or connecting device, that is switch, host a set of network cables that radiate out to each node on the network. Unlike a bus topology where nodes were connected to central cable, there all the workstations are connected to the central device, that is hub or switch. Data that is transmitted between the network nodes passes across the central hub. All the data on the star topology passes through the central device before it reaches to its intended destination. Centralized nature of star topology provides the certain amount of simplicity while also achieving the isolation of each device in the network. Advantage and disadvantages of star topology: it's easy to install and reconfigure and wire. Centralized management help monitoring the network. Robustness, fast as compared to ring topology. Eliminate the traffic problem. No disruption to the network, then connecting or removing the devices. Disadvantages of star topology: if the central node goes down, the entire network goes down. More cabling is required as compared to the bus topology. That's why it is more expensive. Performance as well as number of nodes which can be added in such a topologies is dependent. Then capacity of central device, that is if the port, hub or switch, that is central device having minimum port, then the star network is a small network. Thank you guys. In next session we learn about remaining topology, that is tree, hybrid topology and mesh topology.